The ducks are over here going quack, 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 quack. And the only thing they did for me when I fell was stop quacking until I got back up. They were silent there for a minute. Okay, all of a sudden there's like buzzing all around me while I'm trying to cut it. And then the wasp gets stuck in my hair. I can't get it out. I trip on my... And I just lay there trying to get the bee out of my hair.
Wait, do it again.
And then look, I get up and then they start quacking again. And I'm like, yeah, thanks guys.
Wait, could you go back? I want to see that again.
Like I'm talking to them. Thanks guys for that.
I
Getting the bee right out of there. And I had stuff all inside my shoe.
want to still run like this in here. But I've never seen you like that.
Oh, they were stuck over here.
I wonder what it would look like in fast food.
Y'all couldn't help me up.
Mommy,